So now that we have the feature line, let me show you some of the ways that we can come in and edit it. So by selecting the feature line, what you'll notice is it will change your contextual ribbon. The ribbon up at the top will change to give you options based on a feature line. Now there's a lot of things we can do here. We can break the feature line, we can fillet the feature line, and then we can set the elevation between points. There's a lot of things to do that, but it also has Elevation Editor. And Elevation Editor is going to allow us to go in point by point and set the elevation based on the point. The way that it lists it out is each point along the line that makes your closed polygon, in this case the closed feature line, is going to have a station, and that station is how far it is along the line. So your first point will be station 0, and it will go around. Now this is a closed feature line, so the last point is 2150, and that will be the same elevation as the first point because it closes off the line. But you'll notice it'll have an elevation, it'll have a length, that's the length on the perimeter, and then you'll see these two things that say grade ahead and grade back. So from point 1 to point 2, the grade is 0. Grade back would be from point 1 looking back the opposite way. In that case, the grade is 0. But you'll look at some of these and they'll be different. And so we'll talk about those when we get to it. So I'm going to do a demo based on setting the elevations, and so I'm going to come in and I'm going to set these elevations, watch what I'm doing, and then try it out using the exercises from week 10-1, exercise 2. So what you'll notice I'm going to do, I'm going to come in, I'm going to keep the elevation, and then what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to change the elevation from point 1 to point 2, and we'll see how it looks on the elevation editor. Okay? So watch what I'm going to do and follow the steps afterwards.